How to create Walmart affiliate account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up Google and search for Walmart affiliate program. After that, open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. Now when you scroll down here, you just have to sign up for an account. Then after signing up for an account, you would be able to create different links or affiliate links for your products, and you can share those links to your audience, and every sale that you will be able to make using your links will generate profits for you. So this is how it will work. So you can either sign up using this button at the very end, or you can click on this option of sign up at the very top. So just simply click on it. Now it will ask you some more information like your first name, last name, your email address, your username and password. Just simply provide these details. And after clicking on next, on the next page, it will ask you further information like your display name, and it will be shown in your referral link. So just choose it accordingly, and you can also provide your website. In case if you don't have website, then you can provide your social media link over here, and you can provide your street address and other sort of details related to you. These are your personal details, so just provide them accordingly. Now on the next page, it will ask you what is your main promotional method, and you can select any of the method according to your needs and requirements. And for me, I would select content and reviews. Then on the secondary promotional method, there are different options available to you. You can select any of the one. I will select content reviews marketing, and you can select it according to you and your needs. Then select the promoting countries. After that, click on submit and wait for it to load. And that's it. Now they will review your application, and if they find it suitable, you would be intimated through email, and you would know that you have been accepted to the Walmart affiliates, and you would be able to sign up for it. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.